Hola chicas, qué tal estáis? How are you all keeping? Just para el fin de semana, I just want you to work on three little things, okay? Esta semana hemos trabajado uh, de las preposiciones. We've been working on prepositions, okay? So we've been looking like, encima de, al lado de, detrás de, delante de. So we're going to have a look at some exercises to practice these, okay? And they're going to be linked into this vocabulary here on cositas en el dormitorio, things in the bedroom, okay? So they're going to be working on those kind of things in the bedrooms, okay? So first thing that you work on here is just want you to so you're going to look at you can read these sentences here, okay? And these sentences are linked to the two images up here, okay? The two images up here, okay? So this is the vocabulary that we did before, antes de las vacaciones, before the holidays. So this is what I'm going you to work on now, okay? So first thing we have a look at here is I want you to read through these sentences, okay? Okay, you've got cinco frases. So first one we got here, I'll just do an example. El globo está al lado del poster. So the globe is beside the poster. Is that true or false? So we've got the globos up here. We can see the globos up here. Is it beside the poster? Yes, it is. That one is verdadero. That's true. So you can just put like a V beside that, okay? If one of those is false, just put a F for a falso, put a little F beside it, and then see what you would change, what little preposition you would change. So that's the first thing I want you to do. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to look at that image again on página 128, page 128. And all you're doing here is you're writing out where the things are in the photograph. So this is how you're going to start. Each sentence is going to start with this. Los zapatos están. So for instance, here you can see los zapatos están al lado de la mesa. So the shoes are beside the table. So you're just going to look at page 128 and you can make it up anything at all you think is beside, okay? For instance, you can say el osito está encima de la mesa. So the teddy bear is on top of the bed, okay? So I have them started here, like I've got them están. Now if it's more than one thing, it's gonna be ESTAN. So we've got los here, so there's more than one shoe, so it's ESTN están. But if it's one thing, like a la mojada, okay, which is your a la mojada, which is your pillow. That there is one, so it's going to be está. So you can say la almohada está maybe encima de la mesa or encima de la cama. It's on the bed. All right. So we're just going to. So I've started the sentences off. You just finish them off. Okay. So you're going to say what's it beside. Está al lado detrás, whatever the thing is. Okay. So you can do those five as well. And the last thing I'm just going to send you out is on página 131, page 131. You've got a little listening activity here. So, ¿dónde están mis cosas? Where are my things? So you're going to hear listening here. I want you to write down what the thing they're looking, what the thing is, and what's it beside. So here you've got mis zapatos están al lado de la puerta. The shoes are beside the door. So you're going to hear that listening track. I'll send that out to you, and you can just try and fill it in as best as you can. Okay. So just to recap again one more time, I just want you to read through these. Look at the image above here. Look at this image. Read these sentences. So leer las frases and decide if they're verdaderos or falsos, if they're true or false. Second thing I want you to do is look at here. You're going to look at that image again on 128 and just finish off the sentences. You can just look and use the vocabulary to help you. Okay. I started off the sentences for you here. So if it's more than one thing, if it's going to be a los or a las, it's going to be están. But if it's a la or an el, it's esta. Okay, that little bit. And then the last thing that you do on página 131, page 131, you're going to listen out. I'm going to send you out this listen track, and you're just going to write out where the things go in relation to each other. Okay, so I'll send you out this listen track. Is that okay? Gracias, chicas, y nos vemos pronto.